Good day. Welcome to another Beyond Spaces Philippines house tour. We are here at Tivoli Royale located in Quezon City, just 12 minutes away from the University of the Philippines. This exclusive subdivision has a magnificent view of Sierra Madre mountain range. This is a great spot to be at. Before we begin, please consider subscribing and like our Facebook page, Beyond Spaces Philippines. Now that we had that out of the way, let's start. You'll arrive here, gated community, which you will have access to. You'll drive down it, and it is a very quiet and peaceful area. This quickly became one of my top places to live in Metro Manila. You reach your house, this brand new house is almost complete. It has 500 square meters floor area, seating on 300 square meters lot area. You enter the gate, and on your right, you have a room that can easily be your home office. More of that in a bit. And on your left, you have your two-car garage. Before we go inside, let me show you your access to your first staff room and auxiliary kitchen. The first door is the access to the staff room, and the second is for auxiliary kitchen. Now let's walk out of the rain and see what this house has to offer. When you walk in, it is pretty open concept. It is bright in here. I love the design aspect the builder did in this place. You can open these huge glass doors and let air flow to your living and dining area. This is also your access to the side garden, which can be extended as the adjacent lot is also for sale, only being offered to the buyer of this house. You have this wood accent that goes all the way to the ceiling. This area can also be closed with this pocket sliding door. On to your open kitchen with an island, complete with all the storage spaces you need. You can even put bar stools here, which is pretty cool. This place was designed with party in mind. This door will lead you to auxiliary kitchen. You have these huge glass windows that allow natural light to come in. And this is the same door I showed earlier, the access from the garage. This is another spacious kitchen. From your kitchen, let's now move to your powder room. You have this beautiful calla lily pedestal sink. Right next to it is your first room on the ground floor that can easily be your home office with multiple access doors straight from and to the main gate. This room has its own toilet and bath. From your first room or home office, we now move to the basement. first door on my left is a storage room, and this is your staff's room. This is bigger compared to typical staff rooms you will see on other houses. It also has its own toilet and bath. For those who love cooking, this is for you. You have another kitchen with ample of storage spaces. You also have direct access here from your garage. Now let's go up to the second floor. As we go up, you will notice this beautiful wood cladding all over the wall. Upon landing on the second floor, you have this door that will lead you to a room above your garage. This room can easily fit a queen-size bed with ensuite toilet and bath. We go to the balcony that allows you to see this. On to bedroom number 3, which is right over here. This room can comfortably fit a queen-size bed. Very cozy room with cove lighting on the ceiling. Also comes with built-in closet. All rooms have ensuite toilet and bath. Let's now check out your master bedroom. But before you get there, you get to see this spot. You can also put table and chairs here. Now your master bedroom. This space is huge. You can fit a king-size bed here with enough room for entertainment area and another area where you can put your computer. Let's check out your master balcony with wonderful view of Sierra Madre Mountains. Let's walk up to your master toilet and bath. You have your enclosed shower area, a good-sized bathtub, and enclosed water closet. You have all the cabinets you need inside. That covers the entire second floor. Let's go check out your attic. The builder intended this area for game room. This space can fit a standard size pool table. You open these doors and get the best view of the mountains. You can sit here for hours and hours and look outside as the time of the day changes. The viewing deck is spacious and ideal for outdoor gathering. This deck allows you to see 360 degrees of surrounding areas. It's so beautiful. This level has its own toilet and bath. That's all we have up here. Let's wrap this baby up as we head back to the ground floor. Don't forget to check out the description box for more details. And if you want to list your property with us, just drop us an email at beyondspacesph@gmail.com. That ends our house tour for today. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one. In the coming weeks, we'll be touring another property here, another brand new house. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so you will be notified.